situated on the northern island of New Zealand is Auckland. Auckland is a wonderful place for grapes. And not only is it wonderful for grapes, but it's the commercial center for wine shipping, etc. So my favorite thing from Auckland is Chardonnay. Chardonnay is delicious along the Kumu River. Wonderful, full-bodied, opulent Chardonnays can be made there. They can age and develop just like you would expect, the best of Burgundy. It's a cooler climate where perhaps the warmest it ever gets is 86 degrees. I like that in the summer if it's not 110 and full of humidity. So a maximum high of 86 sounds pretty good to me, but perfectly suited for Chardonnay. New Zealand is pretty cool also in that they were really the first to go whole hog for screw caps, stove enclosures if you'd like, but screw caps are amazing and they've got the most experience and the most time with their wines in screw caps any place in the world. I love that they embraced it. I love screw caps, and I love that their high-end wines are also done in screw caps, including some really great high-end, incredibly ageable Chardonnays that are coming from Auckland.